Hello, so here's Happy Meal app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and then confirm with the Face ID or Touch ID, and that's the app. So it's 143 megabytes. It has 4K ratings, 3.8 out of 5, and now this app added something like toy scanner. So when you buy Happy Meal, you can scan it via the app, and it's super cool feature. And then you can just discover some games, some AR, augmented reality experience, and all of that. So it's a free app. There are no in-app purchases and all of that. So just and then you just need to select your country. You can select set the app. Then you can give like a camera access, and then give access to your photos.
Hey!
So now this is the app. It says app is updating. Find great activities. That's your account.
Yeah! Yeah!
And then as you can see, I'm using my face, and
Ah!
I think the box is also moving. So it's pretty cool. And I can just change the view. Then I can just add all of these experiences.
Oh!
So that's nice.
Ah!
Yeah, so it's not McDonald's app, it's a separate Happy Meal app. And then after the app updated, you can just scan your Happy Meal and all of that. So let's try to do it. So it's available from iOS 9, so let's try to.
Oh!
So this is how the scanning works. So I just need to scan the Happy Meal box, and then I'll just receive some stars and some fun activities. So let's see how it works. I'm not sure if I can get that, but yeah, so that's how you can scan it, and then you can just get points. But yeah, I don't have Happy Meal box. This is just like for you to show. Then this toy will be brought to life from the Happy Meal, and it's using like augmented reality. We can just show it around. Digital masks. Let's see. So yeah, that's pretty fun. So yeah, that's kind of similar to like Snap Filters, but there you have it in the McDonald's Happy Meal app. So that's cool. Some great activities: berry building, recycle greenhouse. And then just doing different challenges and all of that. So that's the idea of the app. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Visit my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.